Did you know SAS isn't just a coding language? We actually don't see open source programming languages as a threat. I'm here to say hi and show off one of our newer developer-focused tools called SAS Viya Workbench. Workbench gives you access to our advanced algorithms and the horsepower that comes with our cloud-based, massively parallel processing compute engine. The best part? You can spin up or spin down your resource in an instant with the click of a button. That saves a lot of money by reducing your cloud spend. Let's explore starting a workbench. We will have this landing page here. Notice I'm in a web browser, so you're no longer limited to just the resources of your local machine. Remember, cloud-based. So I'm going to go and hit new workbench. I can give it a name. I then choose my compute power. In a production environment, you'll be able to scale up or scale down your compute to optimize your savings and the amount of power you need for your specific use case. And hit OK. Here we go. This is that virtual workbench I just created. I have this drop down here that lets me choose the IDE of choice. The important thing here I want to point out is this status message. This is telling me my environment is stopped, aka I'm not running up an expensive cloud bill right now and I can have peace of mind. I'm going to start VS Code. While we're waiting, you can go and see the status bar is now changed from stopped to starting. Now it's running. It's on, it's up, it's ready to go. I'm going to go through some code that I found at this GitHub here. Diabetes prediction. It is based on real life data from Pima Indian's diabetes dataset. I'm just going to drop in the code I got from the GitHub. This is the data. We have a few different variables about these individuals. We have a Python code here. We're importing pandas, NumPy, all of your well-known Python packages. If you're a Python coder, I want to point out one you might not have seen before, SAS Viya. We do have our own SAS Viya Python packages that you get to use through this workbench interface. This is what lets you utilize our top-of-class algorithms. I can choose my kernel and we're off to the races. Now we get our little head of our table, we get our data dictionary. We can see this Python code visualizes our different input variables, a nice little visualization of a correlation matrix. Then we can go into the machine learning piece. We are doing a forest classifier, a tree-based machine learning model from SAS Viya. We have F1 score of 62, which isn't great. Confusion matrix, we want to see higher values in this diagonal here. It looks like we're getting quite a bit of false positives. In a real life scenario, that means we're predicting that someone who will get diabetes won't. And so there's patients that could be suffering because of this. Code in whatever language you're comfortable with, or don't code at all. Use our graphical-based programming methods like Enterprise Guide or SAS Flows instead. We have R, Python, and other open source integration with our advanced computational engine, SAS Viya.